Good morning from beautiful Yosemite National Park. It is late spring, early summer here. We are in the second weekend of May. Woohoo! Hetch Hetchy Adventure! And Hetch Hetchy is another slice of Yosemite that many people never get to see. So this will be fun. We're the first ones here at the Day-Use Trailhead. Cece and I will be hiking and running out to Wapama Falls, and then I'll be continuing on to Rancheria Falls. This is the time you should do it, when the waterfalls are at their fullest. This is different. This thing doesn't fill up. The sun hits you in the face.
He's so cute.
I am really excited today to check out Wapama Falls. I've heard good things about it, and amazingly, I've never been here before. This should be really good this time of year in the late spring. Wapama Falls here in May. This is gonna be good. Getting hit by the mist already. Oh, it's chilly in the morning. Woo. Woo. I know! That was amazing! That was so cool!
Oh my god! Like, why would you do the mist trail?
It's so good!
It's so cool!
And there's nobody here!
No one here!
Oh, so good! First time! Really fun to do a hike for the first time, and this one, late spring, early summer, is just incredible!
Oh,
Oh, that was so cool! I've never done this one before. I've done the mist trail probably 50 times, but this one is just incredible. Oh, Wapama Falls, that was crazy. There's just so much water out here. I can't believe that I haven't been to this one before. Those old wooden bridges that are just flooded with the water coming across. It is unbelievable. While people pack the valley all the time, this one's not bad at all. It's a 2.5 mile one-way hike, about 5 miles round trip. Woohoo! Rancheria Falls! Rancheria Falls, absolutely beautiful here in the late spring. Reminds me of Water Wheel Falls or LeConte Falls, farther up the Grand Canyon of the Tuolumne. Definitely worth making it out here. I'm at 6.5 miles, so looks like it should be about a 13-mile round trip. I'm right here below Rancheria Falls, and this one is almost as impressive as Rancheria Falls. It's just like a half mile down the trail. There's so much water when you come out here early in the season. This is fun. I'm clicking off some 9 or 10 minute miles here on the downhills, and I am 10 miles in, which means I should be coming up to Wapama Falls round 2. Time to get another shower. Oh, shower number 2 on the day. This one felt even better than the first one. Let go, let go. Hello. Oh.